Hi folks, thanks for joining me on this teacher talk. I wanted to show you, most of you probably know this, but the wheelofnames.com is a free app. It's amazing, a lot of teachers use it. You can put in your student's name. In this case, we put in 8 fictitious names. We're going to spin the wheel to call in the student. And Charles is picked. And when Charles is picked, you can either choose to close or remove. So you can remove the ones who have been picked, and then Charles is gone and you're left with the rest. Or you can keep Charles. And here's another great thing, you can add another wheel. And you can save these to your local drive. And now I got 2 wheels. And we click spin all wheels. This is sight words. Now I see it's something that needs to be corrected. So here's our 25 prize sight words. Here's our student. I want one student to be tested on sight word. I want to be totally relevant. I can spin all wheels at one time. So spinning all the wheels at one time, I want Beatrice to say this word. What is the word, Beatrice? And you can either remove or keep the wheel as it is. I'm going to keep the wheel as it is. And then we can do it again. Now I want Allie to say this word right here. What is the word, Allie? Great. And that's how you can fairly, guaranteed to be fair. No one can say you're unfair if you're using the wheel. So it is a free app. Feel free to use it.